Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana lamdamasigi naha entrepreneur singbu masa maromdom lepcheba ngamhanabagi scheme Digi-Sapne tu ngasidagi haudokrai. Manipur hauzik oriba fiba masuda mipum khudingda lengaki thabak piba haibasi ngamloidaba wafamni. Entrepreneur singi kuthangda lamdamasigi naha kayabu thabak piba ngamgadabana Manipur lenga asina naha entrepreneur singda mapung faba support pigani haina Chief Minister Khemchana thazaba pirakli. Planning Department Senduna Chingmerong the Labor Classic Grand the Panghook Pathoramaduda, Chief Minister Namakata Raduna, Startup India Gi Makada, Labor Asida Entrepreneurship Ki Kongzel Yang Changsili. Sapne Startup Acceleration Program Asigi Kutangda, Manipur Yauna, Northeast State Singi, Grassroots Level the Laiba Naha Entrepreneur Singda, Mapung Faba Support Piri. Program Asigi Manung Chana Naha Oriba Entrepreneur Singda, Grant Funding, Hands-on Acceleration Support, Expert Mentorship amadi Market Access yauna mateng kaya pigani. Northeast ki manungda Manipur na entrepreneurship pilamda kumang yang sinba ngamliba si Startup Manipur na sida ajoba startup ecosystem ama sagat pa ngambanani. Masimak Startup Manipur Planning Department yauna tuwan bang institution official amadi policy makers sing na yamna kanna hona kiba duna oithok pa ngambani haiki. Lamda masida lairiba naha sing na pukning hantaba Maithigani haiduna leithokpa yade haibagi pauza su CM na pikhi loinana Startup Manipurasi lakhadoriba matamda chingi district singsu yaksenduna apunba Manipur gi saktam pukhatpada ajoba thodang lobiu haina su phongdokhi thoramadda Manipur gi Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel, Manipur Technical University gi Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chanbabu, Sikkim Manipal University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Gopal Krishna Prabhu, Department of Promotion of Industrial and Internal Trade ki Joint Director Sanjip Singh, Niti Aayog ki Director Pratik Desmukh yauna lamdamasigi masak naiba miyoy kya na sarukya ki.
Digi-Sapne 2.0 is designed to support conserve of students and aspiring entrepreneurs into the scalable enterprises by providing all necessary support. I urge the youth present here today to think boldly and act confidently. Do not be afraid of failure. Innovation is born for experimentation, preservation, and continuous learning. I congratulate Startup Manipur Planning Department, Sikkim Manipal University, Manipur Technical University, and all partners of this meaningful initiative. Digi-Sapne 2.0 is the beginning of transformative journey for the youth of Northeast State, particularly Manipur.